everybody, my name is Sarah Holmes and I'm a math teacher here in Johnston County Public Schools, and I just wanted to encourage you to take the leap and do Week of Inspirational Math. I know it's 5 days and that can seem like a lot of time that you're giving up from your classroom, but those 5 days that you spend will really help you throughout the rest of your semester. So some of the things that I've seen happen with my students is that their mindsets completely change. A lot of them come in with really negative outlooks about math. And after the Week of Inspirational Math, they start to see that some of the things they think about math aren't even true. For instance, a lot of kids think mistakes make them stupid, and that means that, they're not really good at math. And we know that that's not true, but kids don't know that. And they believe that mistakes are bad, and they believe that if you're slow at math, then you're not good at math, and that speed is what makes you a good mathematician. One of the biggest myths that people believe about math is that some people are math people and some people aren't, and that math is somehow genetic, and those are just not true. And so these messages that the kids see in Week of Inspirational Math, in the videos particularly, confront them with these myths and misconceptions, and then they start to realize, oh, okay, so these aren't true, so I can actually do math, I can achieve success in math, and I can make mistakes and learn from them, and I can be slow but still understand math deeply. And it's just really powerful to start your year off with those messages and then reinforce them consistently throughout the entire course. And by the end of it, the kids have such a growth mindset, and it actually goes beyond the math classroom. They start to believe mistakes are good in all classes, and that it's okay to be a slow reader in English as long as you understand the material. And so what we do in math helps them in math, but it also extends to the other courses and just them as people, and it's just so powerful. And what's also really cool about Week of Inspirational Math is that they get to explore math and they play with ideas about math. And I think those are verbs that aren't often used for math class, right? We don't think about exploring and playing and having fun with math, but that's what it is. And too often students come to me in high school and think about math as a set of rules and procedures that you have to memorize to get correct answers. And yes, that is a part of math, but that's not what math is. And I think Week of Inspirational Math does a really good job about letting kids have fun with math and to wrestle with ideas and to have productive struggle, and to start all that off within the first 5 days of school is awesome. And I just love it, and I hope that you see through my students' messages how much they enjoy Week of Inspirational Math as well. And it is so powerful, and my kids have said things to me like, I used to be so uncomfortable with mistakes. I thought I was stupid, but now I know that mistakes is just me learning on my way to mastery. How cool is that students have that reflection on themselves? They also really connect with the fact that speed's not important, because some of them are very slow thinkers, but they can still learn the math. And they also like self-belief is important, because it's up to you and how you talk to yourself that impacts your performance, and what you believe you can do really matters. And it's just so cool to see these kids, and I just love seeing their growth over the course. And it's very, very important that you make sure that you reiterate and reinforce the messages throughout the year. But it's a great way to start building a classroom environment that's positive, that celebrates mistakes, that sees math as more than just a bunch of rules and correct answers. So please do it. It'll change your life. It'll change your students' lives. So just go for it. And I hope you have a lot of fun watching your kids get engaged every day. And if you ever need anything from me, I would love to help you, and enjoy.